Hello everyone, welcome back to my gardening channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the two different ways to grow avocado from seeds. First method will be sprouting avocado in paper towel, and the second one will be sowing the seeds in soil without sprouting. So let's get started. In both methods, we have to soak our avocado seed for 2 to 3 days because soaking them in water will speed up the germination process and then avocado seed will grow faster. So in this method, I'm using a paper towel, and then first of all you need to wrap the avocado seed into the paper towel as you seen in the video. So instead of using a paper towel, you can also use a newspaper. Now moist the paper towel with water. We just need to moist the paper towel, but make sure it's not dripping wet. So now place in the plastic food bag or a Ziploc bag and store in a dark cupboard at room temperature. So make sure temperature stays around 70 degree Fahrenheit and 21 degrees Celsius. So now we are going to start our second method. So in this method we are going to sow our avocado seed directly into the pot. So the seed which I am using, I also pre-soaked them for almost like 2 days. So now we need to take it out our avocado seed from water, and then we just need to directly sow them into the pot. Or if you want to directly sow them into our garden, that will be fine as well. After sowing them into the soil, we are going to add some more soil from top so that our seed are well covered with the soil. And now we are going to spray water in it. So make sure the soil is completely wet, and then we need to moist our soil all the time. So we need to keep our pot in shade at room temperature. So after 6 days, the seed which we directly plant them into the soil has been grown well. So you can see it's already start sprouting. So after 8 days, we are going to see whether our second seed has been sprouted or not. So the one which we packed them in a Ziploc bag. So looks like the second seed has been sprouted as well. So we're gonna unwrap the seed from the paper towel. So make sure you are not affecting the root, so be carefully while you unwrapping it. So you can see the second seeds has been sprouted as well. The roots are coming out. So now we can plant them into the pot as well, or if you want to plant them into the garden, you can also do that. So after 18 days, this is the plant which we directly plant them into the soil. It has grown approximately 20 centimeter. You can see leaves are starting growing, and it looks healthy as well. So after 11 days, this is the seed which we sprout them into Ziploc first and then we plant it. It also started growing. You can see in a video. So after 31 days, both plant has reached the same height. So the plant which is in the left side, that has been grown in a Ziploc bag with the help of paper towel, and then the plant which is on the right, that one was planted directly into the soil. So there is a little bit difference. So the plant which is on our right has bigger leaf as compared to the plant which is on our left. So I definitely recommended you to directly sow your avocado seed into the soil. If you guys have any question regarding this video, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.